Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we are building this job board application using Nextjs. Now in the previous video, we added authentication to our application using Clerk. Now in this video, we will add dark mode to our application. So here we can see this is the dark mode. And if I click on this button, we can see that this is the light mode. So let's get started. Now, since we are using ShadCN for our components, we can just go to the ShadCN official website, ui.shadcn.com, and just go to Docs, and then just click on Dark Mode, and then just select Next.js. And here we can see we have to first of all install Next themes. So let's copy this command. Let's go back to our terminal and let's paste it over here. And let's just enter. Our Next themes was installed. Now let's go back and let's see what's the next step. So the next thing we need to do is we need to create this ThemeProvider.tsx file, and we need to copy and paste this code. So let's copy this code from here. Let's go to the components folder and let's create a new file called ThemeProvider.tsx. And let's paste the code over here. Right now let's go back, and the next thing we need to do is we need to add the theme provider to the layout file. And we need to add these attributes. So let's copy all of these. Let's go back to our code and let's go to the layout.tsx file. And we need to add the theme provider inside the body. So here, let's go ahead and type theme provider. And let's import it from components theme provider. And I'll just cut the ending tag and I'll just paste it over here. And let's go ahead and copy and paste these attributes right here. And we also need to add suppress hydration warning. So let's copy this and paste it inside the HTML. So I'll just add it over here. And that's basically it with the layout.tsx file. Now the next thing we need to do is add the button. So here we can see that we have this button for changing the theme. So now let's create this button. Let's go back to our code. And if you go to our website, we can see that we have this sign in button over here. If you go back to our navbar component, here we can see that we have this navbar actions, and that is where we have this sign in button. And we also want to have the theme toggle button over here on the right side. So let's go to this component. Right now, let's go ahead and go inside this div and let's create a button. And in this button, we need to have two icons based on the theme. So right now we have the dark theme. So we need to have this icon. And for the light theme, we need to have this icon right here. So let's go ahead and first of all, let's type const set theme and theme. And here we need to type use theme. So this is coming from Next themes that we just installed. And now we also need to change this into a client component. So for that, let's go back over here and at the top, let's type use client. So now we can see that we don't have the error. Now here, let's go ahead and use this theme. So here in the button, let's type if theme is equal to dark, then we'll just go ahead and display the sun icon. So let's type sun and let's import it from Lucid React. Let's also add some classes. So let's type class name, height of 4 and width of 4. And here let's add an else. And here let's display the moon icon. Let's import it from Lucid React. Let's add the same classes, class name of h4 and width of 4. So now if we go back to our website, we can see that we have this icon displayed over here. Let's go back, and for the button, let's change the variant. So let's type variant. Let's set it to ghost, and let's set the size to icon. So this is how the button looks. Now when we click on this button, we need to change the theme. So for that, let's add an on click. And here I'll just go ahead and type set theme. So when we click on the button, and if the theme is dark, we need to set it to light. So let's type if theme equals dark, then set it to light. Or let's set it to dark. So this is the code for it. We are telling that if the theme is dark, set it to light, or else set it to dark. Now let's go back and let's see whether this works. So let's reload this page. Here we can see that we have this button displayed. Let's click on this button. And now we can see that the theme has changed to dark theme. And now if I click on this button once again, we can see that the theme has changed to light theme. So everything is working all right. So with that, we have added the option of dark theme to our website. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.